How to zoom in on Mac. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. So we are on Mac and we do not know how to zoom. Here I have here a little explainer. So we are going to head over the Apple sign at the top corner of your Mac. You're going to see it here usually at this right there corner. You're going to click on it, select from here system settings. From this system settings, you're going to get here the settings. As you can see, we're going to select accessibility right there. And from here, we are going basically to enable the zoom. So we are going to enable zoom. Then we are going to get, and if you click on zoom, you're going to get here a little menu. And that menu is going to be putting up the zoom. So we are going to have here the use of the keyboard shortcuts to zoom. You're going to have here these choices. We have the use of trackpad gesture to zoom, and also you can use the scroll gesture with modifiers keys to zoom. So you are going basically to set up the modifiers, and then you're going to select it. You have control, command, and another key, or you can go ahead and get the zoom or by pressing the control and scroll in. So here you can use whatever option that you want, or it is easier for you. So you are not going to be here locked with only one option, but with 1, 2, 3 options. And if you want to change the zoom style, for example, right there for the size and location, you can go ahead and change the style to picture in picture, and you have a lot of choices. If you have some advanced plans or you want some advanced settings, you can go ahead and click on advanced and set up everything from your side. And if you have chosen the keyboard shortcut to zoom, you have here some commands to do. For example, to toggle the zoom, we have here some symbols that we need to press. And here we have the zoom in and zoom out. For use of the trackpad, you are going to double tap 3 fingers on to toggle on the zoom, and double tap the 3 fingers and drag to change the zoom. For example, you're going to drag in by dragging the 3 fingers to the top, and the bottom is going to be here getting up the zoom or zoomed out. Usually when I use my keyboard or the trackpad on my MacBook or my Windows laptop, I use the trackpad for a better gesture. So you can go ahead and on the MacBook, you can go ahead and double tap 3 fingers to toggle zoom. So you are going to zoom in or zoom out by putting 2 fingers together, and then you are going to put some space between these fingers. So you are going basically here to do some, let's say here, some movement. I'm going to let you see here how is this possible. So basically, let's say that you have set up the 3 finger like that. So you're going to double tap 3 fingers. Then you're going simply to use you are going to toggle the zoom, and you are going to use the 2 fingers like this to zoom in and like that to zoom out. For example, just like that. This is an easy as you can use. So also, I have here copied and pasted from the official site of Apple the command to use on the keyboard. So basically, these are going to be keyboard shortcuts for zooming in. So you are going to press the option and the command and the equal sign, which is going to be this. This is for the zoom in, and for the zoom out, you're going to press option and command and the minus sign. So you're going to find it in here. So you can go ahead and quickly switch between zoom in and zoom out by pressing option command 8 or like that. And then here we have it. These spaces are going to be only spaces, not minuses. So this is going to be a dash, and you're not going to apply the dash. So this is to make the clear, everything clear. So basically that is it. So basically, you're going to use the 3 options just like that. So you're going to press option and command just like that, and the equal sign together. So you're going to triple press or press on 3 buttons at the same time, and here we have it. So for the advanced settings, you can go ahead and see that we have some advanced settings into this specific area. So you are going to customize the zooms if you want to change the shortcuts or use a specific zoom. Also for the zooming style, it is going to be here a picture in picture. which is going to be the default one. You can go ahead and change it. So the picture in picture is going to be changing the, let's say here, the size and the location of that zoom. So it is going to be extended on the whole screen and it is going to be very smooth. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.